everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy learning about unique boats and yachts, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Today we're looking at something quite different in the world of boating, the T-2000 Voyager from Safehaven Marine. This 70-foot catamaran is trying to change what we expect from explorer yachts by combining two things that don't usually go together: high speed and the ability to cross oceans safely. Most boats designed for long voyages are pretty slow, typically around 8 to 12 knots. The Voyager, on the other hand, can cruise comfortably between 30–40 knots, with a top speed over 50 knots. That's incredibly fast for a boat of this size, especially one designed to handle rough seas. The boat achieves this performance through some clever engineering. It has a hydrofoil underneath that lifts part of the hull out of the water at speeds above 20 knots. This reduces drag and cuts fuel consumption by about 25% compared to similar boats without this feature. There's even a glass floor section in the main cabin where you can see the hydrofoil working below, a pretty cool touch. What's interesting about this boat is that it's built by a company that normally makes search and rescue vessels and pilot boats, boats that have to work in seriously bad weather. Safehaven Marine has brought that experience to the Voyager. The hull is extremely strong, with thickness up to 30 mm in critical areas and additional carbon fiber reinforcement throughout. The front windows are made from 20 mm thick glass to handle waves crashing over the bow. This isn't just for show. The company claims the boat can safely handle storm force 10 conditions and big breaking seas. Safehaven actually set a world record in 2021 when one of their boats crossed the North Atlantic from Ireland to Iceland at an average speed of 30 knots, proving their designs can handle serious ocean conditions. Despite being built tough, the inside of the Voyager doesn't feel like a workboat. The main cabin is spacious with large windows all around. The captain sits at a central helm position with special shock-absorbing seats to make rough water more comfortable. There's also room for passengers to sit nearby and enjoy the view while underway. Behind the helm, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, with all the appliances you'd expect in a luxury yacht. There's also a dining area that can convert into an extra sleeping space if needed. Below deck, the boat can be arranged in different ways, but the standard layout includes a master cabin with a king-size bed, a guest cabin with double and single beds, and a separate crew cabin. Each has its own bathroom with shower. The back deck has comfortable seating and a carbon fiber table for outdoor dining. There's a crane for launching a small tender that's stored on the transom. The front deck can also be set up with sun loungers for relaxing outdoor activities. One clever feature is the retractable platforms at the back of each hull, which give easy access to the water when extended but can be raised to prevent damage in rough seas. The boat is powered by twin engines that can be configured with different options, from 1,550 to 2,000 horsepower each. These can be connected to various propulsion systems, including surface drives, which are particularly efficient at high speeds. For close-quarters maneuvering in marinas, the Voyager has powerful bow and stern thrusters that can hold the boat against a dock while you're tying up, useful when there aren't many crew members to help. What's perhaps most impressive is the range. At 30 knots, this boat can travel about 1,000 nautical miles before needing to refuel. This combination of speed and range means you could potentially outrun bad weather or take advantage of short, good weather windows for ocean crossings. The T-2000 Voyager represents an interesting direction for explorer yachts. Most long-range boats focus on comfort and fuel efficiency at slow speeds, while most high-speed boats aren't built for crossing oceans. This catamaran is trying to offer both. Of course, this combination of features won't come cheap, and running twin large engines at high speeds will use a lot of fuel, even with the efficiency gains from the hydrofoil system. The specialized construction and high-performance systems will also require proper maintenance. But for someone who wants the ability to cover long distances quickly and safely, this boat offers a compelling package. It combines the DNA of commercial workboats with the comfort and amenities of a luxury yacht, creating something that's genuinely different in today's market. That's it for our look at the T-2000 Voyager. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more interesting vessel reviews. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let me know in the comments what you think about this approach to boat design and whether you'd prefer this kind of speed or a more traditional, slow cruising explorer yacht for your ocean adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.